Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on your YouTube channel on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my full YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that you should slide or scroll down on this left side column of the screen and tap on the settings button. After that you should click on the notifications section in the left side column again. There's the second option, and here you can see this general section where you can manage your mobile and desktop notifications. Here you can see the general email notifications. So you can turn on subscriptions, meaning that when there is a new subscription, you can, or when you subscribe to a channel and there is a new activity, you can get a notification. So tap on this button next to it, then you can turn on these other options such as recommended videos, activity on my channel, replies to my comments, mentions, share content. And as you scroll down, you can check out the email notifications concerning your channel. So for example, send me emails about family and product updates for YouTube or YouTube Kids, or send me emails about my YouTube activity and updates that I requested. The general product updates can be turned on as well in the Your Preferences section, as well as YouTube Premium updates, creator updates, and announcements. So here you can set the language, such as this setting applies to emails only, and it's now set to Hungarian, but you can also select your own language here down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.